Hi, this is Alfonso with Patco. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the new Patco Blade tailgate light bar on new Ford trucks with trailer detection.
You will need a ratchet, electrical pliers, electrical tape, and the supplied instructions for installation. Be sure to read all instructions thoroughly prior to installation. Begin unboxing the Patco Blade light bar and verify that all components listed on the instructions are included. Cut the red wire with the heat shrink sleeve 3 inches from the driver box. Remove the red wire from the wiring harness sleeve. Use the socket wrench to remove the 2 bolts on each tail lamp. Remove the tail lamp assemblies from the vehicle. Use electrical pliers to detach the 4-pin plug from the wiring harness. Feed the yellow, brown, and white wires into the driver's side tail lamp assembly area. You will also need to run the green wire behind the bumper and feed into the passenger side tail lamp assembly area. Use the supplied Scotch locks to make all connections to the respective tail lamp wires. For additional protection, cover all electrical connections with electrical tape. Remove the tailgate for easier access to mount the light bar to the vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with a backup camera, be sure to disconnect the wiring harness behind the bumper prior to removing the tailgate. Cut a 6-inch piece of wire from the red wire of the light bar for use as the bridge wire underneath the driver's side dash. Follow the instructions for the bridge wire installation underneath the driver's side dash. Remove the 7-pin plug from the bumper and feed the red and black wires through the bumper. Use the supplied Scotch locks to connect the red wire to the orange wire and the black ground wire into the white wire of the 7-pin connector. Use alcohol to clean the surface of where the light bar will be mounted on the vehicle. Use the supplied 3M adhesive promoter to create a lasting bond between the 3M tape and the vehicle. Attach the clips to the light bar. Dry fit the light bar on the vehicle prior to removing the 3M backing tape before permanently bonding the light bar to the vehicle. Verify that all functions of the light bar work correctly prior to reassembly of the vehicle. Enjoy your Patco Blade tailgate light bar.